false. Okay, let's make it false. So now if you see, so this control is hiding. Can you able to see? For the
Yeah.
same, if we select for the form, okay, and change the visible property from true to false, okay, this control will hide. Can you able to see?
Yeah.
Our form is not able to visible now. Okay, so by
Yes.
using variable, by using set or update context, you can play with this and make a interactive application. Okay, so for that purpose this property mostly use. Okay, let's say make it true one more
Okay.
time. Our form is true. Okay, so after that we have some other properties as well. Okay, let's I showcase you those. So let's I select the text input here. Okay, so text input. Okay, so for form that is sufficient, we will go for the text input now. Okay, let's I search for the text input and let's use your classic. Okay, so classic text input having some properties. Okay, I will only show you the important one. Okay, so default means this text. Okay, that is you can able to see by default is present. So text property we can be set to the number. Okay, if you want to take only number, in that case hint text means if you wants to give add mobile number, and if you go in the play mode, so you can be see in the hint mode that text is able to visible. Okay, so in that way you can use this hint text property. This is very important. Okay, in the application. Then we have the font weight, font size, that is easy. Okay, then we have the line height. Okay, so if your text input having multiple lines, okay, let's I go and add something here. Okay, why it is number, let's I set to the text and let's add some number here. Okay, change this text property from single to the multi-line. So in that case, okay, whenever you have to change the size, okay, means height of these two lines. Okay, so by in that case you can use this line height property. Okay, if we I make it to the 3, so you can see the size is changes. It is now only able to fit in single line. Okay, then we have the clear button. Okay,
Yeah.
if I go in the play mode and just typing here, okay, so we can able to see the clear thing. Okay, it is only for the single line of text input. Let's I change this to the multi-line to the single line. So you can see the cross icon is able to view and you can clear the complete text input by using that property. Then we have enable spelling check. So it will check the spellings in our and provide the suggestion. The display mode we already see. Minimum length means how much number of character you want. Okay, if you want mobile number, so it is 10 number. So anyone more than that cannot be able to add. Okay, so by using that maximum property, you can see I'm pressing 5 but not able to add here. Okay, then we have
Yeah.
display mode. It is same, you can set disable view, that things. Okay, then we have some, let's say go to the advanced mode. On change, on select, these two properties have for the text input. Okay, on select means whenever anyone clicks on that text input, at that time some formula or some action should perform. Okay, on change means if I just go here and click on the tab, okay, or outside of this text input, okay, On that basis, this track we can be trigger a formula by using on change property. Then we have the accessible label. So let's I show Ravin. So this accessible label is used, okay, means some person having not able to view the screen, okay. So in the browser, we have the read option is available on their mobile phones and other things, okay. So in that case, whenever they use this feature, okay, so this label should pronounce like if on this text input, whenever they click or hover, the Ravindra will spell out, okay. This is now accessible. Then we have the delay output. So delay output is mostly sometimes used in the PowerApps interview. What is delay output? So delay output is the Boolean type values. Okay, means simply you can be make it true or false. And if you hover on that, it is displaying when you want to prevent triggering action with every keystroke. Okay, we have on change event. Okay, and if you have to perform some action, okay, on the basis of search, okay, if you have to perform the action search or anything, okay, so when you set delay output true, when you type it completely after 2 to 3 seconds, then it will search, okay. And if you make the delay output to false to your each stroke, okay, means your each action whenever you're pressing something, it will perform the search operation directly by using delay output property. This is one of the important one, okay. Then we have align left, right, we know that. Then we have the focus border thickness, okay. This is also, if you can, I just selected this input, so this border is very thick, it is 4, okay. So this is thick focus border. Whenever you click on that, let's say make it to the 0 now, focus border, where that is 0, okay. Now if you see, if I select that, okay, so this border is removed now. So this that border is called as focus border. Now let's go and two pleats is also one of the powerful thing, okay. If I just type here Ravindra, okay, and hover on this, okay, so you can able to see here it is one in small black label is showing Ravindra one. Can you able to see?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So now text input is cover, okay. Okay. We cover the label as well.